Hey guys, guess what I just finished? I made for you a free printable DIY guide for making angels with rocks. Yeah, so this is free. Just go to rockstellstories.com and download it for free. Okay, let me show it to you. I printed it as a little booklet too, which you can do. It's just a PDF file. And in here, you'll learn what shapes to get. If I can open. What kind of shapes of rocks to get, what they look like, some examples, and I even give you an example of what you do with it once you make it. Well, you just glue it to a framed board and then put a cute little saying on it and then give it away. Share a piece of God's love. So I would love to see what you guys are making. So print this out. Go try it out with your grandma or with kids, with your cat. I would if I had one. I really want one. But anyway, yeah, make your rock art and then post it on Facebook, especially at my Facebook page, which is Rocks Tell Stories, so we can all see it. And if you post it somewhere else, use the hashtag Rocks Tell Stories, or just go to my website, rockstellstories.com, and get these and other guides that I'll be printing and the videos that go with it, the instructions. Oh, and I even show you a picture from my book that's this Christmas from the Nativity story. So I'll show you closer. Those are the angels that I made for the book. So you have lots of examples. It's pretty easy, just 3 rocks. Go try it, post some pictures, and I'd love to see what you're making.